Lexi, can you show Mommy put black and yellow on?
I can't find it.
Put black and yellow. Lexi, can you put call me maybe?
Okay.
Call me maybe?
Okay. Good
Say, call me maybe. Where is it?
morning.
I don't know how you know how to read, but...
Find it.
Lexi, can you put on I just had sex? Can you put that one on?
Okay.
Show Mommy how you find it.
Okay. You're so smart.
You are so smart. Show Mommy how you find it. I'm gonna piss. How do you do this?
I just found it.
You're so smart.
I can't find
You
it.
know how to I just had sex by Akon. Where is it?
I know where it is.
You know where it is. Where is it? You know where it is. You found it before. Go slow.
Where is it? I can't find it. Oh. There it is. I found it.
Don't yell.
Yay.
You gotta turn the volume on.
Okay.
Push play.
This one?
Yeah.
I can't find it.
Shh, don't yell. Don't. Okay. What's another song? Can you put Sexy and I Know It? Sexy and I Know It. Let me see. Put Sexy and I Know It on. Show Mommy how you find it. Put Sexy and I Know It. Where is it? Turn the volume on. Don't yell, okay? You like this song?
Let's put on.
How about I'm pretty good at drinking beer? Bonner song.
Okay.
Now turn on.
Thank you.
Let me see. Show me. Show me how you find it.
I can find. Where?
Find it. Bonner song.
Butter.
Did you just fart?
There it is.
There it is. Oh, there it is.
Oops.
You're the smartest kid alive.
I found it.
You gonna sing it for Mommy? Shh, don't yell, but sing it.
Let's put on.
Listen, sing it.
Let's put on. Let's put on. Let's put on.
What song?
Yeah.
Put Yaya on.
This one, too late.
She's so smart. I don't know if she can find this one. I never knew she could do this.
I can't find it.
Okay, we'll say goodbye. Mommy has to say goodbye anyway. Say bye.